Kusa Ngokunye Kuvelephi manje. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 14th to the 16th of October 2024 on Monday. Sibongile feels the need to get hold of Qiniso until a lawyer shows up at her door. An excited Vuma prepares for his date with Samke. Kuvelephi returns to Iqobo on Tuesday. Sibongile considers a proposal to sue the Dlaminis, and Vuma worries. Samke want to catch the culprit who keeps raiding her restaurant. Qiniso's lies catch up with him on Wednesday. Jabu's plan to take down the Dlaminis is finally in motion. Vuma declares his undying love for Samke. Kuvelephi has no idea that Qiniso is out to scam her. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Kusa Ngokunye Kuvelephi.